Hey guys, I'm Dipankar back with another video. Like other Vivo phones, Vivo V9 is also a camera phone with good camera specifications. The camera app also comes with lots of camera features. So I decided to publish a separate camera review before final review of the phone. But before I talk about the camera performance, let us have a look on the camera hardware. At the back side, it has a dual camera setup that includes a 16 megapixel sensor with f2.0 aperture and 5 megapixel sensor with f2.4 aperture. Here the secondary sensor is for capturing the depth information. At the back side, it also has a single LED flash. At the front, it has a 24 megapixel sensor with f2.0 aperture and display flash, where the display will be acting as a flash in low light. The camera app comes with lots of software features. It has different modes including face beauty, AR stickers, panorama and professional mode. If you know how to manually use ISO white balance shutter speed like things, professional mode is for you. The professional mode is available for both front and rear camera. I have seen very few phones offering pro mode for the front camera. At the top side you will see different options including flash, HDR, bokeh, live photo and other camera modes. At the bottom side you see an icon to capture photos, effects and changing the camera angle. There is also an Ultra HD mode in other camera modes that allows you to capture a photo in 40 megapixel size. You also get a dock mode that allows you to take photo of a document or presentation and in result just capture the content you wanted to capture. So you do not need to do any cropping or editing later. The phone claims to use AI bokeh algorithm that is based on machine learning to offer decent portrait shots. For capturing portrait shots, you need to tap on bokeh icon at the top of the camera app. It uses secondary rear camera for capturing depth information for bokeh effect. Here the good thing is that you can even adjust the bokeh effect even after capturing the photo, so you can decide the focus and focus level anytime later. Portrait shots can be captured using the front camera as well, but that uses software processing to blur the background. AR sticker mode is good and it allows you to use several face filters. You can use it with both rear and front camera. There are several face filters to try. In broad daylight, this camera captures awesome shots with natural and accurate colors. The AI Sdr Works Good and Sdr shots offer improved contrast and saturation. Photos captured even in low light are good, but quality depends on the light. The less light, the more visible grains and loss of details. Still, the photo quality in low light is better than competitors. In very low light, when flash is required, it captures decent shots, but the pale effect is due to the flash. The dual rear camera setup is there for capturing good portrait shots with awesome bokeh. While it works fine in most of the conditions, the edge detection could have been better. See the third sample where it completely removed the hair off the left side. Front camera does awesome job and captures decent selfies. Face beauty works well to enhance selfies and improve your skin tone without erasing important features. The level of details it captures is awesome, not just in daylight but also in indoor and low light. For low light, when light is not sufficient, it uses display flash that allows display to act as a flash. The front camera portraits are fine, but it could have been better. It was not good in detecting edges properly. There is also a group selfie mode for capturing more people in a single selfie. It works like a panorama and allows you to capture all your friends in a single shot. The phone can record up to 4K videos from both rear and front cameras. The videos come out to be good, but focus was a bit slow. The only disappointment is the lack of video stabilization. If you are recording using a tripod, you will see no issues, but recording by holding the phone in hand will show considerable shake in videos. It can also record slow-mo videos and time-lapse videos. Finally, the Vivo V9 is a good camera phone, but only if you are interested in photos. It captures good photos in most of the light conditions. Selfie camera is amazing. Edge detection was not fine on both front and rear camera, so portrait shots are not as good as I was expecting. Still, it is a good camera phone. While it can record 4K videos from both rear and front cameras, the lack of video stabilization is a disappointment. The camera app is also fine and shows no lag, so overall the camera experience on Vivo V9 is good. I have already told you the good and the bad things about the camera. If you have still anything to ask, you can always leave a comment and I will try to answer it as soon as possible. What do you guys think about the camera of Vivo V9? Let us know your views in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.